At SHINCCI, every day begins not with slogans, but with action. Each day begins with messages to read, decisions to make, and priorities to set. For Mr. Sure, efficiency isn't about speed, it's about clarity. As a CEO with a technical background, Mr. Sure believes questions are the starting point of every solution. The answer is never just on paper. Solutions are not born on slides, but proven on the factory floor. It's not about moving fast, but moving right. At SHINCCI, every breakthrough begins on the front line and is proven over time. From a single patent to integrated systems, from early trials to industry-ready solutions, what we've achieved so far is thanks to the hard work of the whole team, and there's much more ahead of us. SHINCCI, the pioneer, embarking on a new journey.